So in this video, we are going to uh, download and install Cytoscape. So to download Cytoscape, enter the website cytoscape.org in the URL address bar, and then the website will open. At the home page, ये सीधे डायरेक्ट हमें डाउनलोड का ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा and the button for access to web version will be there. So all we have to do is download the Cytoscape. We will click on this button, download 3.10.4, the latest version that has been available right now. So it will automatically detect the system of your PC. In my case, it's 64-bit Windows. So I will click on this button and it will download me the installer file. Yes, I have already downloaded the file, so I will not be installing it again. You can download it in your system. Now I have downloaded it already here in program section. So I will double click on it and the installer menu will open. It will just install. It will ask to install a runtime of Java. You can click on download and it will just download the Java runtime depending on the internet speed. Cytoscape needs a Java runtime to run smoothly or even to run only. Now it will give a pop-up window to authenticate by admin. You need to click on yes and then it will install automatically on your system. Now it's the installation window has been opened. Click on next, accept the agreement. Next, choose your directory where you want to install it. I would like it in my C program files with these names and click on next. Now if you want to create a desktop event, click on check the box, and if you want to open Cytoscape and double clicking on Cytoscape session file.cys, you can check this checkbox and allow collection of generic user information if you want to allow and check this box. You click on next. Now there are some uh, suggestions about what's new in Cytoscape. Click on next. If you want to know about tips, click on next tip. Otherwise, click on next, and it will install at the desired directory that you chose above. Now it has been completely installed. Click on finish. So Cytoscape has been installed. To verify, you can just open Cytoscape, search Cytoscape, and click on the app menu. Now it's initializing. So you can see it's initializing. It's going to be open. So this is the default window of Cytoscape. It's loading its default values and tables and all. I think it's already loaded. It will ask about the network access. You can allow the private network access. As I am connected to a private network, I will allow it to private network. Okay. Here you can explore the different features of Cytoscape that we will do in some other video.